So, sad to report that we are at Fry Bread House in Phoenix, Arizona, and because of COVID and because of Navajo Nation and just the way the nations are handling COVID, we are not able to dine in or get access into the kitchen, but at least on camera. But we are going to try the ultimate fry bread taco. Follow me. Well, actually, just stay tuned because we're going to try it right here. What's up, Trace?
What's up?
How you doing?
Good.
Good drive, right? All right, let's take a look at this taco. Open the unwrap that. Look at that. Look at that. Hopefully I took good camera. Hopefully I did good with that. But we're gonna pile this in, man. Fried bread, you guys already know. I've been chasing the ultimate fried bread recipe. We learned how to make it last night in Albuquerque, which was really cool with the Totem Pole Nation. And now we're in Phoenix. We're gonna try it here, and we're waiting for Saul and Kara to show up. So until then, we gotta have tacos. Why not try this one? All right, guys. I don't even know how people do this, but let's get to it. Look at how big that is. This is too big.
That's just for one person. Glad we're sharing that.
Yeah. All right. Let's do this. Oh my goodness. You do need the paper to bite into it. I'm going in for the kill. I'm so excited, man. That is so airy. Obviously, it's not a tortilla. It's not a flour tortilla either. It's fried bread.
Looks delicious. I can't wait.
Fire. It's a cross between a burrito, a taco, a quesadilla, but it's fluffy and crunchy at the same time. If you've never had fried bread, a fried bread taco, just know there's a reason I'm looking into this.
Cut?
I don't think I'm giving you none.
You better.
Well, look. I'm gonna leave you guys with that. Thank you for watching my videos. If you like to see me traveling and eating food all over the country and bringing it back to Rockford, and you're encouraging what I'm doing, I just want to say I appreciate you. But please like, share, follow, spread the word. You know, we're trying to support local places. This is a local place here in Phoenix. Great area. They call it the corridor. So make sure you support. But until next time, people, love, peace, and taco grease.